Okay, good morning, students. How are you all? I hope you all are fine and doing good. Now, if you remember, we had completed the second chapter through videos, right? I had completed the second chapter, the grammar topics also, and all the exercises of the course book. Okay, students. Now, today we will be starting a new lesson, that is chapter 3. Okay, and it is a very interesting lesson. You will really enjoy this lesson. Okay, it is very interesting. It is something, it is on a topic that you will enjoy. It is something on a topic that you love. Okay, this is a topic which you will like to learn. Okay, this is very interesting. So what is the name of the lesson? I will not tell you. For that I will show you some slides. Okay, we will see some slides and then you will slowly begin to understand that what we are going to learn today. Okay, students? Okay, so just let's see the slides. Okay, students, now what can you see in this picture? I have shown you a picture, right? What can you see in this picture? You can see a mother and a child. They are looking at elephants. Okay, can you see? They are looking at elephants. Now, do you know where they are? Do you know where they are? Where are they looking at the elephants? Okay, we will see the next picture, then you will come to know. Now see here, you can see a tiger and a man is looking at the tiger. Now you must have come to know that where are these animals. Okay, now you must have got an idea about where are these animals, but still I will show you one more slide so that you get a clear idea. Okay, now you must have understood that we are talking about a zoo. We are talking about a zoo. Now you can see the animals, they are kept in the cages. They are kept in enclosures. Okay, they are kept in enclosures, means they cannot come out. They have to remain inside only. Okay, like dangerous animal, like wild animals and all, they are kept in closed cages. But the animals which are not dangerous, like giraffe, see, you can see the giraffe, it is kept in an open enclosure, means there is no need for it to be kept in a closed cage. But when I showed you the previous slide, you saw this tiger. Tiger is a very dangerous animal, so it is kept in a cage and the cage is fully closed. Now you see in the first slide also what I showed you, elephants. Now elephants are also, they are kept in enclosures, means they are not kept inside a cage. They are very huge animals also, right? Very big animals. They are not kept in the cages and they are not wild animals. They are not dangerous animals. So they are kept in open enclosures, but there is an enclosure. Enclosure means there is a fence. Can you see? There is a fence around them and they cannot come out. See, giraffe is kept in a cage in the zoo and the giraffe is also, sorry, this is a tiger. Tiger is kept in a cage and you can see this is a giraffe. It is kept in an enclosure. Enclosure means, see, there is a fence over here and they cannot come out. Okay, they cannot come out. So these animals, they are kept in the zoo. Can you see all the people are watching them? I know you also must have went to the zoo, right? You all must have went to the zoo at least one time. Now see the next slide also. See, here is an elephant. It is also kept in an enclosure. It is not a closed cage. The cage is not fully closed. You can see the people, they are watching the elephant. They are looking at the elephant and they are taking out pictures of the elephant. Yes or no? Because people go to see animals in the zoo, right? Now see this also. These are also giraffe and you can see over here there are some birds also. Can you see? Yes. So this is also a zoo. You can see all the people looking at the animals from behind. Yes, this is also enclosure. This is not a closed cage. Yes or no? This is not a closed cage. Okay, students, so I have shown you some pictures of a zoo. I have shown you some pictures of a zoo. So now we saw that some animals, they are kept in the zoo, right? And all the people are going to look at them. the parents are taking their children to see the animals from close. Okay, you must have went to the zoo. When you normally you don't see animals, right? You can only see domestic animals like cow, buffalo. Around you can see only domestic animals like goat, cow, buffalo, dogs. But if you want to see the wild animals, if you want to see the animals like giraffe, zebra, then you have to go to the zoo, right? So parents, they take their children to the zoo to see the animals. Okay, and you all must have went to the zoo at least once. And if you have not went to the zoo, then you can tell your parents to take you once the lockdown is over, right? Now you cannot go to the zoo. Okay, so now you saw in the pictures how the animals were kept. They were kept closed, means they cannot come out. They are not free. They are not free, right? Now see, when you see animals around you, you can see dogs and buffaloes and cows, you know, sometimes on the roads also you can see. Now when you see them, they are all free. They are just walking around as they wish. Yes or no? They are just walking around everywhere. So they are free animals. They are free. They are not closed. But these animals in the zoo, they are not free. So students, what do you think? Is it correct to keep the animals in the cage in the zoo? Do you think it is correct? What do you feel? Now see, if someone will keep you whole day in a room, even for one day, if your parents says, okay, you remain whole day in this room and they will close the door and you cannot go out, you cannot go anywhere, you cannot even come out of your room, you cannot go to the kitchen, you cannot go anywhere. So how will you feel? And you know, your parents will give the food also to you in the room, everything in the room. So how will you feel? Will you feel good? No, of course no. Nobody likes to remain trapped. Nobody likes to remain in capture. Capture means, you know, when anybody catches you and puts you in a cage, it is called capture. When you cannot move around, it is called capture. So will you like if anybody closes you in a room, or if anybody does not allow you to come out of the house? Do you like? Of course not. You don't like. You will feel trapped. You will feel very bad. You will feel bored. You will also feel bored. So you think about the animals in the zoo, students. They are kept forever. They are always kept. See, even one day you cannot remain in your room. You think about the animals. They are always kept in the cage. Always. They cannot go anywhere. You know where wild animals are found. One is in the zoo, and where you can see forest. You must have seen Discovery Channel, right? Discovery Channel. Then you must have seen National Geographic Channel. They show animals. If you don't see, then you must start watching. They show the animals in the forest. They show the animals in the forest. So you look at those animals. Lions and tigers and elephants, zebra, giraffe, all the animals, they are all free. They are all free and they just enjoy their life. Okay, they like to remain free. Even if they are wild, yes, they are dangerous, they are wild, but they stay in their separate place. They stay in their separate place. And which is their home? Their home is the forest. They don't stay with us because they are dangerous. They do not stay with human beings. Why? Because they are dangerous animals. Okay, they are carnivorous animals. So their home is the forest, and everybody likes to remain in their home, right? You also like to remain in your home. So even the wild animals, they also like to remain in the home. They are free in their home. They can go anywhere they want. They can do whatever they want. Yes or no? They can eat their food anytime. So they also love to be free. So do you think it is correct to keep the animals in the zoo? No, it's not at all correct. You should not keep the animals in a cage or in a zoo. Okay, for your enjoyment. Why they are keeping in the zoo? So that people will come and see them and people will enjoy. People are enjoying, but think about the animals. They are very sad. They are trapped. Okay, there is nobody to look after them. Yes or no? So even they are feeling that they should go out. They should go to their home. they should walk around freely in a forest, yes or no? So I showed you the slides so that I make it clear to you that even the animals do not like to remain in a cage. They do not like to remain in a zoo, okay? Because the home of the animal is a forest. That is wild animals like zebra, elephant, tiger, lion, deer. All these animals, they are wild animals, right? And they all like to remain in a forest, and that is their home. Yes or no? And nobody likes to be trapped. Nobody likes to be in a cage. So it is wrong to keep the animals in a cage. See, now I will show you some slides of the animals in the cage. I will show you so that you come to know that the animals are so sad in the cage. They are not happy. They are not happy. Oh, not only animals, even birds are kept in the cage. So even the birds, they are so sweet birds. They are so tiny birds. Even they do not like to remain in a cage. Even they like to roam about freely. You know what is the home of the birds? The home of the birds is tree. The home of the birds is the sky. They like to fly. Yes or no? God has made them to fly. And what we are doing? We are putting them in the cage. So is it correct? Of course, their cage is so small. And you know, the home of the bird is the sky. They are so free. They just fly everywhere. The whole sky is their home. And do you think it is right to put a bird in a small cage? No, it is not correct. So even the birds, they also do not like to remain in a cage. And it is wrong to put the birds like parrot or sparrows in a cage. No birds, even the pigeons, no bird should be trapped, because the birds of the home is the trees and the sky. Yes or no? So I will show you some pictures of the animals which are in the cage. And when you look at them, you will come to know that they are not at all happy. They are very, very sad. So I will just show you some slides. Okay students, now you see these animals. They are all in the zoo, right? They are kept in a cage. Now you see this monkey. Can you see the monkey? It is feeling very sad. Then you can see the bear over here. Then there are rabbits. This is dog and this is tiger. Now you see the monkey, how it is sitting. See the bear, it is trying to come out. Can you see? Even the dog is feeling to come out. Can you see? So see, you can see these animals, they are not at all happy. So don't you think it is wrong to put them in a cage? Yes or no students? Now you see, I will show the next slide, and it is of birds. See, there are so many birds filled together. See, there is no space in the cage. Can you imagine how they must be feeling? So many birds together, and the birds don't like to remain inside. See, this parrot is trying to come out. This bird, this is a small bird, it is looking out of the window. See this bird. So don't you think it is wrong to put them in cage, students? Yes, it is absolutely wrong. You should not put the birds and animals in the cage. So now I showed you so many slides about the animals and birds in the cages. So do you know, you must have already guessed that about what the lesson is. Do you know about what the lesson is? Do you know about what the lesson is? Have you guessed? I will just show you the title of the lesson. See, this is the name of the lesson, A Visit to the Zoo. Okay students, so today I showed you some slides of animals and birds in a zoo, because we are going to learn a lesson about a zoo. A visit to the zoo. Understood students? And this is the first part, that is, this is the first video of the lesson. Okay students, so we have done the I Connect part of the chapter. That is, I have given you an introduction to the lesson about what we are going to learn. So you all know the name of the chapter now. It is A Visit to the Zoo. Okay. So next, in the next video, we will be starting with the lesson. I will just explain you the lesson in short, and you will get an idea about the lesson. Okay students, so I hope you have enjoyed watching this video. Thank you for watching the video and have a nice day.